All right guys, here we are once again with a box, and this one is very light. I actually have no idea what's inside here, but I'm sort of hoping it's not a skateboard, because if it is, I think it's gonna be too light and break instantly. Ow! I think this is a fragile one.
Well, they're all fragile, they say.
What? Stickers just fell everywhere. Hello, Team Braille. Here is your custom-made Halo-Tech skateboard. This is recycled from a skateboard after we recycled it for skate specs.
So it's a recycled?
We reinforced it with fiberglass, hoping it would last a little longer. Please land bolts.
I think the specs is glasses. Glasses made out of a skateboard.
What?
I think we opened the box upside down.
I don't get it.
Whoa.
The skateboard is glass.
What is it?
You see their glasses.
What is it? Oh, maybe they made glasses out of the skateboard.
Oh, I see.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we got glasses!
Yay!
We hope you like your new frames. Each of them already have their own little skate story to be continued. Cheers. Skatespecs.com.
Yo, if there's any left, I want one.
These boxes are pretty cool. Whoa.
Legit.
Legit.
Let me see.
Why is everybody laughing at me?
I'm keeping
Oh,
these.
those ones I want. Those are like the business but casual.
These are fire.
These are better or?
Wait, these ones are small.
Met Uber 20 Jarden Firmener Langbardorech.
No.
Clearly not English.
Ditch by der Ashwald Deinstrom words.
We are the worst people. How cool are they? See the sides?
They're sick and I want them.
So do we set this up and skate it?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Skate it till it breaks.
Let's do it.
Like, try not to break it style though. The person who breaks it loses. Should we grip tape this?
No.
No. It's kind of grippy.
I can't see why you would want grip on it.
Oh! Do you see what he did there?
Fun in the Braille house.
So Fetty, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we play an episode of Skate It Till It Breaks, since this is like clearly quite weak. Or maybe they reinforced it enough so it's really not.
That's sick looking.
So they cut these glasses out of the board, as you can see. So the board is clearly not as strong as it would be. So I think we do Skate It Till It Breaks.
Break it till it skates.
You down?
Yeah.
Something tells me Daniel's gonna break it like right away.
No, you know the movie Jurassic Park? You look like the guy in Jurassic Park. No, Independence Day.
Break it till it skates.
Break it till it skates! Dang.
So pop off this side. Don't use this side.
Please
Okay.
land bolts.
He landed, it fully bent, and there's no damage anywhere.
No, there's damage. It cracked.
Daniel is gonna break this thing so
I
fast.
know, I'm scared.
So the rules are, if you break it, you lose.
Break it. Whoa. We throw you off the Braille draw. Just kidding.
You guys have been hyping me up that I'm gonna break it. Now I'm like nervous.
Oh, no.
The goal is to not break it.
If you break it, you lose.
My goal is to land the kick.
Yeah.
Did I break it? I think I broke the viewer's eyes with that ugly kickflip.
If you break it, you buy it. I actually got my money on Aaron.
Ooh, really?
I cannot believe you did that.
Whoa.
If you land this right here and it doesn't break, I will have lost $5 on this bet.
Well, it ain't breaking.
Seriously though, don't break it, okay?
Okay.
No, really, like don't.
I'm really trying hard not to break it.
Do not break it.
What if I break it though?
No.
Okay.
Here we go. Shoves and 180s.
Watch how we do things around here.
I want to see a trape over revert first try.
It's good. I think that noise is just the glasses. They're making some kind of plasticky noise.
Oh yeah? What about that?
No.
No, it's not. No, it's not broken. What are the specs of this board?
I landed bolts, girl. Calm down.
A random contender. Varial flip, Gabe. Gabe. Woo! It's a skateboard. All right, I got you. Old Braille. We back. We out here.
That was clean.
It's just a normal board.
I respect that. The glasses messed me up. The glasses messed me up.
Yeah, I was trying to throw some shade.
My turn?
You trying to make a spectacle?
That was my tray revert attempt.
Snap, crackle, pop.
It's a really dumb trick.
Come on, man.
I know it's not my day to day.
Should
It's gotten like way out
Should
of
we just
hand.
expand it to full park?
Yes.
I think we should.
It's not the same as a regular skateboard.
Why? What's different?
This has super flexibility, and then
try
the pop is just not as reactive. Something like that.
Whole park, I guess. Well, here we go. Let's get it till it breaks.
Here we go again.
Alright. It's so slippery. Is it just no grip tape day today?
Yep.
It's so weird because when you pop, like it just flexes. It landed bolt.
Skate it till it don't break.
You want to try like something crazy down it?
I mean, I could try. Because when I do late shoves, the grip tape's like the most important part, so I get a solid ollie. So, I don't know. We'll get one more.
The board is stronger than expected. Better late than never.
This is actually pretty sturdy. I think the fiberglass is.
Better than I expected.
Oh, I think I just said it.
I think I heard you say that. Then I said it. Then you said it. Oh, sparks!
I tried not ollieing as high. I straight clipped.
It definitely sparked. That was crazy.
Shots fired.
I'm just trying to go faster now.
I'm amazed this board is not breaking.
Wow. I'm just trying with all my strength. Just wow.
Well, Braille drop?
I don't know that's gonna break at this point. I feel pretty confident.
We told him the rule is that whoever breaks it has to do the Braille drop, right?
Yeah.
He knows that?
I think so.
Just getting robbed now.
Okay.
You got this. Brian Arnett.
All right. Should I try one more or not push it?
It's up to you. Oh!
Actual first try!
That was fire.
Oh man, I thought I was gonna break it for real now. All right, who's next?
Can it break? Will it break? Dude, we out here.
Serious? Who is this guy? The goal is to not break it.
Oh, you're missing it.
No, I'm gonna get the actions right here. It won't break. It won't break.
We said not to break it! You lose!
Still skatable.
So much for landing bolts. Well, thanks a lot for sending in this board. We really, really, really love you. If you guys have something to send us, send it to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you, 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 thank you. Thank you, each and every one of you. You guys rule. We have a lot more videos just like this and better in the playlist. Link in the description below. I'll see you next time. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, brailleskateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.